Experiencing data issues with Tesco Mobile while roaming in Finland? You're not alone. The primary reasons are often related to access point name, APN settings, and roaming frequency bands. Tesco Mobile, operating on the O2 network in the UK, might not automatically configure your phone for Finnish networks like Elisa, TeliaSonera, or DNA. This means your phone can't properly connect to the internet despite calls working. As of October 2025, manual adjustments are usually required. Here's how to get your data working. First, check that international roaming is enabled in your Tesco Mobile account and phone settings. Then, manually reset your APN. Delete any existing APNs and create a new one. For Elisa, the APN is simply Internet, with no username or password needed. Next, ensure your phone supports Finnish network bands. Older phones might struggle. Enable automatic network selection and restart your device. If problems persist, contact Tesco Mobile support. Recent updates allow you to use the O2 app to check band support. With these steps, you'll likely resolve most data roaming issues in Finland. For future users, consider eSIMs as they get rid of APN issues.